Rain and grey water harvesting at your home. Here's a sample house with rainwater harvesting and grey water system set up. Here comes the rain. The rain gets collected in barrels around the house. The water from the barrels can be used for various purposes. Now we are looking at the grey water system. The water from your washer and your bath feeds the plants in your garden. Rainwater usually runs off as storm water. Having permeable ground helps this water seep back into the ground and replenish the water levels in your area. Harvest, better use, and preserve.